Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's update the view on the gold market. So in general you can see the market has completed our first setup. It's beginning of the trading plan that we have prepared in the weekly report rather fast. So actually it needs just one trading session to achieve the support area that we have specified. So it just confirms the idea with this ABCD pattern on the daily chart and suggests that relatively soon we should get a continuation to the 1830 area, if of course we're not getting surprises with the geopolitical situation. So meantime, technically, with keeping all other things equal, you can see that in the city leg we have very thrusting actions. Acceleration definitely stands with the city leg, which suggests that when the market just spends some time around support area, shows them some reasonable reaction on this level, there's really big chances and probability stands in favor of the continuation and reaching of the OP extension around 1830, which is actually also important agreement area. So meantime, on this way down, market hits right now the confluence that already has been tested a couple of times here, you can see, and completed COP, minimum extension of this minimal extension of this ABCD pattern, and market stands at daily oversold. So that creates, well, actually not bad background for a possible, at least technical bounce that, well, those of you who are searching chance to call short, you probably could watch for them. Scalp traders maybe could consider taking the long position on an hourly chart and lower time frames, but this is not our primary object, and here we are mostly not searching for taking any long position because overall background, as we said in the weekly report, is bearish, and we're considering currently only bearish positions, at least in the current stage of our trading plan. On interest rates, you could also see that 10-year yields turning to some consolidation. This weekly chart, on the daily chart, you can see the market is forming also minor retracement. That should relieve a bit the pressure on the gold market as well with this minor retracements. Some kind of a flag pattern is forming here. Let market, to the gold market, show some consolidation and even to show some minor pullback maybe from the support that we have. On the 4 time frame chart, price also has completed sharp and this thrusting ABCD pattern or steep pattern. And here we could keep an eye on a few patterns, few moments maybe. Not bad thrust actually we have here. So with this thrusting action, maybe as market stands at some support area, we could get forming some Jordan patterns, for instance, some double repo that could trigger the pullback. Anyway, at this point, maybe it makes sense to wait a bit and not too hurry up with taking the new short position. If you haven't taken it yesterday, as we suggested, with this minor pullback that has happened in the beginning of the session. So currently it would be better to wait for some pullback that you could let you to take the short position, because probabilities stand in favor of the pullback as the market stands in strong support. And here some patterns might be formed. That's what we think makes sense to consider. On the hourly chart, speaking on the levels that might be interesting. So first of all, it's of course 1916, because currently with this acceleration we have definitely not some reversal process or changing of the demand supply on the gold market, but this is just technical pullback from the current level as triggered by the short-term positions. So speculators have taken profit around the support. It's let market show the pullback, while the sellers start watching for resistance areas where they could consider taking the new short position. So at the first glance, it seems that this level might be interesting to consider taking the short with the stop somewhere above the confluence. Because yesterday, as we suggested in our trading plan, we could see that retracement was very small right to this level, but we suggested that taking the short position just within a few hours, and then market just collapsed. So our plan to take position on the first resistance of the placing stop above this area initially was correct. So here's what happened, approximately the same thing. So maybe if market will keep retracement within a couple of sessions, maybe consider that at least some ABC repetition might be formed, something of that sort. So it led us to consider this level. So that's approximately the plan that we intend to follow. If you're a scalp trader, you would like to trade on hourly chart, on a hourly time frame, even forming this, for example, some double ripple buy or something. That's not forbidden. But we're ignoring currently this moment is because we're mostly focused on the higher time frames, on the daily, maybe 4-hour time frame chart. And there we have definitely bearish context. And for us, it's more interesting to get the short position, these predefined levels, rather than trying to catch the minor result on some reversal pattern. So that's what we have from the gold. Let's keep watching, and hopefully we'll get our entry points.